In the Quran, which is the holy book for Muslims, Allah the Almighty tells us something important about Jesus. Everybody from the people of the book will believe in Jesus before he dies, and on Judgment Day he will tell the truth about them. This is from Surah An-Nisa, verse 159. Let's talk about what this means in simple words. This part of the Quran is talking about Prophet Jesus. It says that before Jesus dies, all the people of the book, which means Jews and Christians, will believe in him. And on the last day, when everyone is judged, Jesus will speak the truth about them. This is a special thing because we believe that Jesus was taken up to heaven alive and he will come back to earth again. But there's a man named Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani who says something different. He says that Jesus, son of Mary, has already died and that he, Mirza, is here in his place. Now we need to think about this and see if it fits with what the Quran tells us. Today there are still Jews who do not believe in Jesus. Some even say bad things about him, and they are waiting for a different Messiah, the Antichrist. Christians believe in Jesus too, but they think of him as the Son of God, which is not the same as believing in him in the way Muslims do. If Jesus had already died, the Quran tells us that all the Jews and Christians would have believed in him the right way before that happened. Now about Mirza. He's been gone for many years, but the Christians, who are part of the people of the book, did not believe in him as the promised Messiah before he died. And they still don't believe in him today. If Mirza was really the promised Messiah, then, according to the Quran, all the people of the book should have believed in him before he died. The claim of Mirza Qadiani that Jesus, son of Mary, peace be upon him, has died and he has come in his place is not only proven false but also contradicts the beliefs of the Quran.